6 exercises for sciatica pain relief. If you know anything about sciatica, you will know how debilitating it can be even to have a normal life. In this video, I will share with you 6 therapeutic pain-relieving exercises to help you live a normal life. Watch all 6 exercises, because 1 or 2 could be the life-saving miracle you have been waiting for these many years. Sciatica is the term used to refer to the pain radiating from the sciatic nerve, which starts at the lower back, passes through the hips, and goes down each leg. Often the pain is felt only on one side of the body. Thankfully, if you suffer from sciatica, there are exercises you can do at home to relieve yourself from pain and possibly even reverse your condition. 1. Hamstring Stretch. Find a stable platform that's at least as high as your knees. Stand in front of the platform and place your right leg on top. Keep your legs straight, knees locked, and toes pointing up. Lean as far forward as you can while keeping your back straight. Hold the lowest position for 30 seconds. Make sure you take deep, steady breaths throughout the hold. Straighten your back without removing your leg from the platform. Rest for 10 seconds before repeating the stretch. Repeat 3 times and do the same for the other leg. 2. Sitting Pigeon Pose. Sit on a mat with both your legs stretched out in front of you. Make sure your toes are pointing up. Cross your right leg so that your right ankle is above your left knee. Bend over to hold your left foot with both hands. Hold the position for 30 seconds while breathing deeply. Go back to your starting position and rest for 10 seconds before doing the same for the other side. Keep alternating both sides until you've done 3 per leg. 3. Knee to shoulder stretch. Lie on a mat with a flat cushion or folded towel under your head. Bend your knees and keep your feet planted firmly on the mat and about shoulder width apart. Bend your right knee towards your left shoulder and clasp your hands around it to hold it down. Hold this position for 30 seconds before repeating the same stretch with the left leg. Alternate between both legs until you've completed 3 per leg. 4. Gluteal stretch. Lie on a mat with a flat cushion or folded towel under your head. Keep your knees bent and feet planted firmly on the mat, about hip width apart. Clasp your hands behind your left thigh, just below the knee. Pull your left leg towards your chest. Hold this position for 30 seconds before releasing the stretch. Rest for 10 seconds before repeating it on the same side. Repeat on the same side 3 times. Do the same for the other side. 5. Sciatic mobility stretch. Lie on a mat with a flat cushion or folded towel under your head. Keep your knees bent and feet around shoulder width apart. Bend your right knee towards your chest. Clasp your hands below your right knee. Slowly straighten the knee so your leg is extended upward. Hold the position for 30 seconds before returning to your starting position. Repeat on the other side. Keep alternating both sides until you've completed 3 per leg. 6. Cobra Pose. On a mat, lie on your belly while resting your upper body on your forearms. Your elbows should be tucked at your sides while your palms are flat on the mat beside you. Also, your feet should be close together. Push down on your hands to prop up your upper body. Be sure to keep your neck straight. Hold your position for 10 seconds before going back to your starting position. Repeat 10 times. About 80% of adults suffer from some form of lower back pain at some point in their lives, according to an article published by the BMJ in 2007. Approximately 5 to 10% of them have sciatica. If you are one of them, try these exercises and do them regularly. You should immediately feel significant relief. Over time, you may even get rid of your pain completely. Following our study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.